Ezi ntsapho zaseShorterville eGqeberha zikhangela nayiphi na impahla ezinokuthi zikwazi ukuyisebenzisa emva kokutsha kwezi zindlu zidibeneyo nebezilikhaya kuzo, kodwa ngoku sele zingamabhodlo. Ukanti enye yentsapho yalile ukuthetha kumabonakude. uRolandi Botha oneminyaka engama-29 ubudala kunye namalungu osapho lwakhe amane basothukile emva kokuphulukana nekhaya labo nazo zonke izinto zabo ngenxa yomlilo. uBotha uthi ebengekho ngethuba kuqala umlilo. Uthi wafumana umnxeba omyalela ukuba indlu yakhe iyatsha. Wakhawuleza wabuyela wayosabela kulapho afike ikhaya lakhe litshile kunye nempahla. uBotha nguye kuphela ophangelayo kusapho lwakhe kwaye unoxanduva lokondla udade wakhe, oomalume bakhe ababini, omnye wabo uphazamisekile ngokwasengqondweni. uBotha uthi kuphandle ngoku kuye nosapho lwakhe.
And when I came back, no, I didn't come back yet. I was at ShopRite. Then the people phoned me to say my house is burning, my house is burning. I said, no, it can't be my house. Because when I left here a few minutes ago, it was still fine. And when I came back, it was up in flames. We didn't know what to do here. It was chaos. And the wind played a huge role in this thing because it damaged both of these houses here. I never, ever thought something like this would happen to us and to my family because we lost everything that's here inside.
Omnye wabahlali uShade Meyer ohlala kwisitalato esinye nendlu kaBotha uthi barhanela ukuba umlilo uqalwe ngumntu obetshisa inkunkuma elahlwa ngokungekho mthethweni kufutshane nesi sikhululo sombane kule ndawo. uMeyer ukwathi xa imozulu ibanda kakhulu abahlali abangenamakhaya babasa umlilo ukuze bazifudumeze yaye ucingela ukuba kunokuba ngunobangela walomlilo utshise izindlu zabamelwane bakhe.
When the fire occurred yesterday, it was in front of the electric substation thing here that's here by us. It was a small fire, but as we all saw yesterday, the wind was terrible. The wind was the cause that spread the fire so quickly. Yeah. It was in minutes, he said. I was trying to phone him because somebody of the community phoned me and told me what's happening. I was so shocked. What I expected was it's just again the substation burning and the rubbish that's lying there. But when he video called me and I saw all the smoke, I realized that this is much bigger than what I thought.
Abahlali bathi isigadla sabacimi mlilo siye sasokola ukuhamba kwezi zitalato zale ndawo zimxinwa, bakwakhalaza ngelithi sethe sakufika ekugqibeleni saphelelwa ngamanzi.
The fire department only came, after how long? Basically the houses is almost burned down that time when they arrived here. What also played a role for them not being able to kill the fire immediately, they ran out of water. Which I think was poor planning from them because they knew what the situation was, they were informed. So I think they had to pull out all their resources, but that was not the case. We're not blaming anybody, we're not shifting the blame, but this is two families who lost everything. What they have now, it's a clothes on their back. And as you know, in the days that we live now, we struggle from day to day just to put some food on the table. Look at this. We're 3 months away from Christmas. What's going to happen to these people? It's devastating, it's sad. I've lived here all my life, 36 years. I grew up in front of these people. I feel their pain, even though I'm not staying here anymore. My mother stays here, but this is my family. And we always here for each other and we'll try our best to do whatever.
Amapolisa athi alinde ingxelo evela kwiziko lomlilo kwaye unobangela womlilo awukaziwa okwangoku. Kungoku nje usapho lwakwaBotha luhleli nezizalwane zazo kwindawo exineneyo. Olu sapho lubongoza umasipala kunye naye nabani na onokuthi ancedise ukuba anikele ngazo naziphi na izinto anazo. Kwindaba zeMpuma Kapa, ndingalungile Bhoqwana eShorterville eGqeberha.